Hi friends, today I am going to explain AVL tree in easier way. First, what is an AVL tree? Adelson, Welsky and Landis. Three persons are made this AVL tree. Important points you have to note when you are doing AVL tree is balance factor, and it should be a complete binary search tree. Let's we discuss what is balance factor and what is complete binary search tree. So balance factor is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, and also it should be +1, 0 or -1. If the balance factor is not satisfying these measures, definitely we have to do some alteration in the tree. That is called as rotation. Let's we discuss what is binary search trees. Binary search tree, it's a binary tree, and each and every root node or sub node should have two nodes, along with the left subtree or left node should be less than the root node, and right node should be greater than the root node. Before we are going to move with the balance factor, you have to know what is the height of the tree. The height of the tree is measured from the bottom of the tree, that is the longest path of the leaf. Next, a balance factor, already we know the height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. So let's we discuss. So what is that height and balance factor? I given red color as a height. For example, what is the height of the root node 2? Initially, we have to check height of the longest node path, that is the 5. 5 height is 0. The 4 height is 1. The node 3 height is 2. And the root node height is 3. And 1 height is 0. Now we will check balance factor. I mentioned everything in a green color. Balance factor of the 5 is 0, and the balance factor of the 4 is -1. So here you have to be alert with the technique. The balance factor, there is no left subtree in the 4, so that you have to consider as -1. The height of the right subtree is already 0, so that -1 -0, the balance factor is -1. Then the balance factor of the node 3 is -2. There is no left subtree, so I am considering as -1. The height of the right subtree, that is 4, this height is 1, so that -1 -1, the balance factor is -2. Okay, so here the AVL tree is affected. So this one is not called as AVL tree. Then let's we check with the next tree. The height of the leaf node 1, 3 and 5 is 0. The height of the 4 is 1. The height of the root node 2 is 2. Then we will check the balance factor. 3 balance factor is 0. 4 balance factor is 0, because 0 minus 0, and leaf node 1 balance factor is also 0. Then the root node balance factor is minus 1, that is 0 minus 1, that is called as minus 1. So now this is a complete AVL tree. It's satisfying all the constraints of the AVL tree. Then you have to know about the 4 rotations of the AVL tree. So there is 4 cases in the AVL rotation. The first case, insertion in the left subtree of the left child, and fourth one is insertion into the right subtree of the right child. The case 2 and case 3 are similar. Insertion in the right subtree to the left node, insertion into the left subtree of the right child. For rearranging the imbalance, we have to do a major 2 rotations. One is single rotation, another one is double rotation. For case 1 and case 4 imbalance, we will rectify it with single rotation, that is left left or right right rotation. And case 2 and case 3 imbalance is fixed with left right or right left rotation. This is called as double rotation. Now we will discuss what is single rotation and how does it works. We know that single rotation in the sense case 1 and case 4. If the rotation is occurred in the left rotation, you have to convert into the right rotation. If the rotation occur in the right rotation, you have to convert into the left rotation. Now the node, that is the root node, is considered as K2 in left rotation, and the subtree is considered as K2. Now for single rotation, you have to rotate a root value K2 into the subtree. Again you have to rotate K1 in the root node. Here only one node is rotated, in the sense left side a node Y is present in the right side of the node K1. Now this Y is rotated in the left side of the K2. Rest of the nodes are present in the already where it located. In the same location it is there, X and Z. X is located in the left side of the K1 and Z is located in the right side of the K2. And there is no change in the X and Z. So this one is called as single rotation because only one node is rotated here. Then for case 1 and case 4, let's check with an example. When you are inserting a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, we will check with some rotations. When you do a insertion a key 3 value, we will come with a problem, that is imbalanced problem. AVL property is violated and we have to do single rotations. For example, inserting a 1, it is a root node. Next we have to insert a 2. 2 is greater than the 1, then you have to insert in the right side, and 3 is greater than the 2, so you have to insert again the right side of the node 2. So this is the role of the ABL tree, that is also binary search tree. Okay. Next, when you check with this balance factor, for example, height of the 3 is 0, height of the 2 is 1, and height of the 1 is 2. Then we have to check balance factor. Balance factor is 0. Balance factor of 2 is -1, because we have to, there is no left child, so we have to take as -1 minus height of the right subtree is 0. So balance factor is -1. Then you have to check root node balance factor. There is no left subtree, so you have to consider as -1 minus -1. So now the balance factor is 2. So if the balance factor is affected in the root node, we have to do some rotation. That is called as right rotation. You have to convert this this tree into the another form. Now check the rotation. Height of the 1 is 0, height of the 3 is 0, root node 2 is 1. Then we will check the balance factor. 1 balance factor is 0, 3 balance factor is 0, and 2 balance factor is 0. Now, how this rotation is happened? For this, we have to refer a right rotation, which is in the case 4. Here, the root node is considered as K1, and subnode 2 is considered as K2. Then we have to rotate it. 2 is want to be located in the root node, and K1, the 1 is rotated into the left side. So here we have done a single rotation to improve the imbalance. Now the ABL tree balance factor is satisfied. Then we can fix this as a correct rotation. Then we will check with case 2. Case 2 and case 3 are same. When we are considering a K2 left right rotation, here you have to, you can easily remember that all the leaf node A, B, C, D is not changing their position here. Here also the A, B, C, D is not changed, because, and then you have to check what the changes were present in the root nodes K3 and another left subtree K1. The A and D value is changed. Just we will check what A and D value is present in the left side of the K1 and present in the right side of the K3. Then the changes is occurred only with the B and C. Already, previously the B is located in the left side of the K2. Now it's changed into the right side of the K1, and then C position is changed. Already it's present in the right side of the K2. Now it's located in the left side of the K3. For case 3, we have to convert right left rotation into the normal form. That is, the A value and D value is not changed, only the B value and C value is changed here. In earlier case, the B is located in the left side of the K2 and now it's located in the right side of the K3. C is located in the right side of the K2. Now it's located in the left side of the K1. So you can remember this rotation very easier. For left right rotation, it's present in root is K3, K1, K2. Now it's rearranged into the K1, K2 and K3. So here also the root is K3, K1 and K2, same as case 2. Now the case 3 is relocated into the K3, K2 and K1. That's all. Let's we check with a small example. When you are inserting a key 7, you never come with any double rotation. But when we are inserting 15 and 14, you will come with the double rotation. For example, let's we check the height of the 14 is 0. So height of the 15 is 1. The height of the 7 is 2. Then check the balance factor. Now we check the balance factor of 15. The balance factor of 15 is 1. The left subtree height is 0. There is no right subtree. So minus 1. So the balance factor is 1. There is no problem. When you come to the root node 7, the balance factor is minus 1 because there is no left subtree. So consider as minus 1. The height of the right subtree is 1. So minus 1. Now the balance factor is minus 2. So here the ABL tree is get violated. The imbalance is occurred. So we have to do rotation. This is comes under the rotation, right left rotation. So you know that how to do the right left rotation. Now we check with the example. The node 7 is considered as K3 and node 15 is considered as K1 and node 14 is considered as K2. Then we have to rotate like this. So how the rotation can be performed? So we have to compare with the right left rotation. So how the imbalance can be rectified, which is present in the right side. We have to rearrange K2 as the root node and K3 is the left node and K1 is the right node. Now we check the balance factor. Everything is okay now. Then till now you are not subscribed our channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. You will get the further notification. Thank you.